If your thermostat is set to off but the blower still runs, start by checking the thermostat wiring and faceplate to quickly rule out a stuck control signal. Remove the thermostat faceplate carefully and see if the blower stops immediately while the wires remain connected to the wall. If the blower stops, the thermostat itself is likely sending a continuous fan call, and you can troubleshoot by replacing the thermostat or isolating the fan terminal wire by disconnecting it at the thermostat base. If the blower keeps running after removing the faceplate, move on to inspect the air handler or furnace control board for a stuck relay or a shorted fan relay. Visually look for burned contacts or listen for a relay that stays energized. Also check any external fan control switches near the air handler and any auxiliary fan timers or programmable fan controls in the circuit, because these can override thermostat commands. Verify power is removed before touching wiring by switching off the correct breaker and confirming there is no voltage with a non-contact tester or meter. When you need to test components without disassembly, temporarily disconnect the fan wire at the control board after power is off, and then restore power briefly to confirm whether the wiring or the board drives the blower. Common mistakes include assuming the thermostat battery is the cause when the fan runs on a separate control. Swapping batteries will not stop a hardwired fan call, so test by removing the faceplate. Another mistake is not confirming whether the blower is on constant fan mode at the furnace itself. Many systems have a fan switch or mode button on the air handler that bypasses the thermostat, and you can flip that to off to see if the blower stops. Lastly, technicians often skip checking downstream repairs like a stuck relay on the control board or a short to 24-volt control wiring. If removing the thermostat faceplate does not stop the blower, isolate power and inspect the control board terminals and any inline relays for fault and replace the defective relay or repair the short. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors for HVAC and other home systems, and we also help contractors find work leads and connect with clients. We host an active community discussion area where we share troubleshooting tips and local recommendations to help get repairs started right.